Hi guys, so today we're in the center of Dakar, which was a major trading post during its colonialism years from the French, and they certainly left their marks in the country. In 1910, close to the mainland port, the French built this building called Marché Kermel for the locals to come to and to sell their products such as fresh fruits, meat, fish, vegetables, and souvenirs to the European settlers. Following many years of the Senegalese doing business, in 1994 there was a fire that burnt down the original building, and the current building was reconstructed in 1997 just like the original one. So today we're gonna be going inside, talking to the people, seeing what we could get. And come on guys, let's go and enjoy this beautiful day in Senegal.
So we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna interpret. Yeah.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
You feel good?
We're making videos, man. Yeah.
Taking video.
For YouTube. Yeah, man. You okay? I've made friends already. Wow. In the mirror? Wow. It's very lively now. Yeah. Very nice. It's very colorful, man. French?
Wolof.
No? Oh. Well,
You feel you are a journalist?
well, yeah, well, because most people with cameras are journalists. What's this? Oh, it's got the intestine and everything. Ça va? Yeah, oui.
Hey, bonjour.
C'est bon.
Oui, c'est bon. Le business là, c'est bon là.
Ça rapporte.
Ça rapporte, oui.
Vous le faites depuis quand?
Moi, c'est des... Mon père. C'est des trucs de mon père ici. Moi aussi, j'ai venu
Depuis combien? Africain. Quel africain? Quel? Sénégalais, je dirais. Sénégalais? D'origine. Hein? Non, Sénégalais. D'origine sénégalaise. D'origine sénégalaise. Nationalité? Malienne.
Je vais passer ici, c'est notre madame. Ça, c'est bien fait.
Ça va? So right now we're ça va? Hello, ça va bien? Oui? Bon, d'accord. What does
It is okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, d'accord.
Bon, d'accord. Is that French or that is Wolof?
Oui, that's French.
Bon, d'accord.
Bon, d'accord. Oui, it is venez manger.
Sorry? Oh, Czechry. Oh, no, merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. What's that? What is it? Oh, Czechry. That's what you are. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
Il dit que c'est trop bon. Ouais.
Alright. Au revoir.
Ok, au revoir.
Merci. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of statues. How is business? Good?
Good. Yes. Today's Friday. That's why we're wearing, like African clothes.
Of course. Wow.
That's why,
That's good, man. I like that.
Yes,
You're gonna go and pray soon?
Yes, soon. Yes, maybe 2 o'clock. We're gonna go apply.
What's the time now?
Time? I don't know. Maybe 10, 11. I don't know.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm impressed by your English.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Where's your market?
My market is down there. After I show you my shop,
What do you sell?
I sell clothes.
Oh, materials?
Yes, material.
Like something like this?
Yes, I have it. Yes.
Yes?
Okay, let's take around first. After I show you my shop.
Oh, yeah, go on.
Let's go.
My shop.
Yes, it's coming.
My shop.
Your shop?
My shop.
Okay, let's go see
Ah, go
the shop.
on.
Can I live it?
Let's see your shop.
Talk about you speak Wolof, I think.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Wolof?
No, Anglais.
No, you can teach him Wolof.
You speak English only.
Oh, this is your shop?
Yeah.
Wow. You sell dresses?
What's your name?
Idris.
Oh, my name is Jara.
Sejara.
Jara. Mam Jara. Chef, small price.
Small price.
Ouais, LMX, Jana détail.
Okay, so how much is it?
I will go back.
How much?
Ici,
Yeah.
5. Parce que toi, t'es gentil.
500.
Oui, 5.
500 or 5,000?
5,000.
5,000.
Ouais. Very nice.
Local money.
I will go back.
Go back where?
Yeah. Where?
Oh, we'll come back?
Yeah.
Okay, he said we'll come back.
Mais aujourd'hui, small price, matinal. Good
What?
price. Les chemises 10. Batik 10.
10,000?
10.
10,000?
Ouais.
10,000, 5,000.
Ouais.
Okay.
Ouais, good price.
Okay, let me go and have a look at his shop and I will compare the prices.
And ladies?
Ladies,
Wait.
wait, we'll come back.
This is
Oh, this is your shop.
this is Mustafa's shop. Yes. And you have, the steam when you're farmers. Yes, you can make, do it. It's good. Very nice shop, yes.
Oh, very sporty.
That's right. And also we have it the big size for you, This is we have the Senegal team. It's with the
Yeah.
when you're farmers.
It's a good thing that the Senegal won the World Cup, man.
Yeah, that's good. And we have also for the baby, for the boy. 10 years, 7 years. You see?
Okay.
And this one we call Wure.
Wure.
This is Wure, the game.
Oh, it's a game.
African game.
We played this in Nigeria as
this
well.
one we used it before we have independence. You see? We call Wure.
That's nice.
Cool.
I like that.
Billahi wallah. This is nice. That's real African,
5,000.
I'm sure to God I buy more than that.
No.
Baax nga jëndal kii affaire sama prix la di
baaxul.
ici Africa.
Am na
Malay Dubai rek.
Listen,
Fii ay ñeenti téeméer lay fay ak kii.
no. This is more expensive than London.
Give me 5 good price.
I'll give you a good price.
Wait.
5,000.
8,000 is good.
No, man. I'm gonna go.
Oui.
No problem. Billahi, if you don't, no problem. If you don't buy with me, I'm so happy with you. I'm
Okay,
so
man. All right, man.
Because I buy more than this one.
No, you did not,
Oh,
man.
you come on, man.
No, you did not, man. You did not. You did not. Put it in the bag and give it back. Okay, I'm gonna look around. If I cannot find anything else, then maybe I'll come back.
Because you are my first kid, that's why. Give me 7.
Oh, this guy.
7 is okay.
No,
Don't say nothing. You don't go nothing.
6.
Good. Oui, yeah. You make a mousse by quelque.
6?
Oui.
All right, go.
Moi,
That's our first purchase.
present for you.
That's our first purchase. Listen,
I love you too.
I love
You are
you.
a good man.
Thank you, man. What's this? Senegal.
Oui, Mama Africa.
Oh,
Present for you.
Present.
Okay.
Mama Africa.
Come and look my shop. My friend, look.
Okay, merci.
Nice price.
Yeah, nice things, nice price. I
Got
give-
magnets? Good magnets?
Yeah, this nice magnet, Senegal magnet, this one. With small carapet magnet. I give a nice price this one for the magnet.
We'll look around, boss.
Should I go? C'est pour ça que je vais te donner un peu plus là, mais c'est pas les prix. D'accord.
So what are we getting? Mama Africa.
Yeah,
Ouais.
this is nice.
Very nice.
Mais les prix, c'est pas bon quoi.
How much is this gonna sell it for?
2000.
2000.
It's okay, man. Don't worry.
No.
No, don't worry, man.
Telephone. You. Come on, no problem. It's your house.
Messi.
Wow, look at him in action. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this content today. Do not forget to subscribe, comment and share the video so that we could spread the word about Senegal and the world in general. Thank you. Stay blessed.